High-frequency welding is by far the best method for joining PVC and PU materials. The weld is much stronger compared to other technologies, such as hot air, hot wedge, and impulse welding. The resulting weld is also airtight and waterproof. Advantages of high-frequency welding is as below. Repeatable, reliable technology. Strong, durable, and even welds. Air, gas, and waterproof welds. Multi-layer welding. An environmentally friendly choice. If you have more questions about high-frequency welding, please contact our sales.
量大的话，你们可以买2台机器，一台做球体的，一台压这个边，小的压边，压那2条直线的买个15千瓦就可以了。
我们厂里有一台，就是没这个大。
对对，我知道。
所以我们把大的给拉过来了。
哦，难怪我去你们厂里看过有15的嘛。